Now, there's a bunch of Ford dealerships out there making some pretty wild claims about the lowest prices and payments. Well, that's all a bunch of hogwash. Here's the straight talk. All Ford dealerships pay the factory exactly the same for their new Fords. Every single one of them. They all have exactly the same invoices, MSRPs, factory incentives, and financing sources, too. But there's only one Ford dealership that'll give you more for your money. And that one dealership is Sunset Ford of Sumner. Because you really do get more from Sunset. Like more for your trade, way more. Plus, you get oil changes for life and warranty protection for life. Sunset exclusives that'll save you thousands. And no matter what you hear, no one can get you in that new Ford for less than Sunset Ford of Sumner. Right on Highway 410, just down the hill from Bonney Lake.
You just get more at Sunset Ford.
And people do like that.